What's up guys, I'm Silverwolf and I've managed to get hold of the Furby Furblets Festive 2-pack Pep-Mint and Sno-Flay. I already did a little review of Pep-Mint in another video, but now I've got both of them. So they were actually available on Amazon UK in the end, so I managed to get them. So I'm going to do a review of them now. So the packaging is just basic. It just says 2-pack, all the normal stuff, 45 plus sounds and things each. Massive warning thing on them now because that's how things are. Some nice artwork. It says they play music, speak and harmonize together. There's a picture of a kid on the side pressing the head of one of them to reveal the little face because the ears pop out, and it tells you what's inside on the back, and you can have them on your bag to accessorize. And on the other side there's just another little picture of them saying special holiday edition. So let's open these up and take a look. And there's sticky tape at the top for some reason. I have no idea why. Any at the bottom? Oh yes, of course there would be some at the bottom. Let's make this difficult, shall we? Okay. Right, now I've finally got into them. It's Sno-Flay is the one that's showing first. So Sno-Flay's got the long fur, a bit like Nugget, the little chick furblet that they did for Easter. Got the usual bit of card in between there, put that to one side. And then at the back we've got Pep-Mint, who I've already reviewed. Although this Pep-Mint seems to have something wrong. The ears seem to be a little bit wonky. Anyway, I am reviewing both of them, so I'll go through their sounds and things as I would for any other video. Even though some of you guys have already seen Pep-Mint, we'll still do it in this video. So we'll start off with Sno-Flay, because that's probably who you're here to see. So, yeah, long sort of fluffy fur, little purpley blue tuft on the head. It's got a like a purple little clip on it, and underside it's blue. Really, really fluffy. And inside the ears is kind of blue and purple as well. There are snowflakes in the eyes, and it's all nicely decorated around them as well, as you can see. It's almost like a magic power there, telling people to freeze. So it's obviously based on We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I believe Pep-Mint's based on Jingle Bells. It's nice that they've got new voice clips. Oh, some are repeated, but mostly new. Songs are new. They're repeated. I think that it's better that they only reuse some sound clips, because then it's kind of it's just less like buying something with the same sound clips. If they use new music for each one, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's Sno-Flay. You're gonna go to sleep. There we go. Right, let's have a look at Pep-Mint then, with the wonky ears. As you can see, they are quite wonky. So Pep-Mint is made up to look like a Christmas peppermint. It's got red and pink fluffy fur on his head. Inside the ears is pink. It's got like a little popsicle or, well, peppermint thing in its eyes. And it's decorated around the outside of the eyes as well. And the clip and feet are the same colour. And this one's kind of got a more male personality. Also, it looks like it's got no hair on its head. I just fluffed that up. So if it chooses this in the thumbnail. I just didn't want him looking bold. So there you go, that's most of his sound clips as well. I tend to play them until they start repeating themselves. It just gives people an idea of the sounds they make. So let's hear these two harmonizing. There is red fur everywhere, by the way. It's just everywhere. He's molting. So there you go, that's the Furby Furblets festive 2-pack of Pep-Mint and Sno-Flay. Which do you like best? I think they're both vying for your attention there. So let me know in the comments what you think. I think they're both very good. I like that they've used new sound clips. It's not too repetitive. It's not like they've used the same ones as Sno-Way from last year or anything like that. And I will be comparing Sno-Flay and Sno-Way in the next video. because I haven't actually done a comparison of them. I've compared Pep-Mint with Sno-Flay before, so I'll do that as well. So if you want to see more videos of these guys, these noisy little people, Furby people here, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip over on Ko-fi. Link is in the description. I'm vying for you for just like talking over them. Or a super thanks on YouTube. It's all appreciated. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.